Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my Jewel product review. So what is Jewel all about? Jewel is actually a piece of software that will help you to create free tool websites, free online tool websites that will help you monetize with Google AdSense. So if this is something you're interested in, please continue watching and I'll show you the demonstration video of the product, the members area, what the product actually helps you to achieve. Also, we'll take a look at the sales page and the bonuses that the vendor and myself will provide for you. If at any time during this review you decide that you'd like to purchase the product, please go to the description below this video and click the link over there, and you will be forwarded to my bonus page from which you will be able to purchase the software. But before I actually go to the sales page for the product, let me take a look at the bonus page for you and I'll show you the bonuses that I will be providing for you if you decide to pick up the front-end version of the software or any upsells. So there's going to be 4 bonuses that I will be providing for you and 5 bonuses that the vendor is going to be providing for you. So bonus number 1 is going to be $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So this is just a little hack for you on how to make money online. Bonus number 2 is going to be how to build a buyer's list. This is basically going to help you to understand how affiliate marketing works and how people make money with affiliate marketing and how they're building the buyer's list so that they can promote their products to these people afterwards. Bonus number 3 is going to be easy passive paydays. So this is also a bonus that will help you to understand how people are making money online, and hopefully you will be able to apply it. And bonus number 4 is going to be effortless Facebook profits. This is also just one of the tips for you how to make money with Facebook. And bonus number 5, like I said, it's going to be all vendor bonuses. Let me quickly show to you which bonuses the vendor is going to be providing for you. So this is going to be 5 bonuses from the vendor. So it's going to be, as you can see, bundle niche blogs, $500 per day case study, 60K in 60 days case study, friendly top class 24/7 support, and last bonus is going to be free crypto secrets. So this is the bonuses the vendor is going to be providing for you. So right now, actually, let's go to the sales page, as you can see right here, and take a look at the product and understand actually what it's doing. So as you can see here, it's the world's first app that literally forces Google to pay us $393.20 every day. There's going to be a sales video for you to watch. The benefits of the product, as you can see here, it's 93% of beta testers made money on the first day. You don't need any tech experience. You can see here it's going to be beginner friendly, and you're going to also have a 365 days money back guarantee for the product. Let's take a look what else we have here on the sales page, and then I'll actually show you what the product actually does. So as you can see here, there is some demonstration for the product, like earnings. Of course, we cannot confirm or deny it, so we'll just leave it as is. There is more here. Also, the product claims you just need to do 3 simple steps to make this work for yourself. You just log into your Jewel account, then you replicate, basically the business model, and then you refresh it and see how you can make money. There is also some information here, but I think you can just look through it at your own pace, and it just maybe just easier for me to show you and explain to you what it actually does. So right now, let me put the demonstration video from the vendor of the product, and it's actually going to show you how to make this website, this free online tool website, and then I will come back and explain to you a little bit more about Google AdSense and how you can make this tool work for yourself.
Guys, this is Jewel. World's first app that literally forces Google to pay us $393.12 every day, in just seconds. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Login. Login to Joule is as simple as adding your email and password and getting into your dashboard. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Seems too simple, but that doesn't compromise its profitable power. Let me show that right now. Step 2. Replicate. Is Google AdSense still profitable? Guys, the answer is a big and fat yes. And even Google itself will tell you the types of sites that have quality AdSense revenue. The most basic of Google AdSense tips are what types of sites make the most money with Google AdSense. The first type is a blog site, which needs a lot of unique quality content on a regular basis. Not easy to afford and maintain. The second type is a forum site, which needs lots of members and posts, not easy to find and handle as well. And then comes the third type, which is a free online tool site, also a very challenging approach and expensive, even if you are a coder yourself, but it's considered to be the easiest solution to maintain, but only if you count with the online tool. Well, so, what is to be done? Here is where Joule comes into play. Joule is the best solution to replicate one of the most profitable AdSense approaches, as well as the easiest one to maintain, by creating an AdSense-approved, free online tool site in just seconds. Yes guys, let me show you. You just need to pick the free online tool of your choice. Fill out this form with the name of your tool, the URL where you will store it, contact email, SEO keywords, tools description, header tags, which is where we can add our Google AdSense code, a logo, a favicon, up to 4 different banners and their respective links, but we could also embed our opt-in forms, or of course our AdSense ad unit codes, and the ability to add up to 4 different menu buttons, which you could use to add other similar tools like this one I'm customizing to drive a lot more traffic, leads and profits. And click on Submit. And there you have it guys. Your AdSense approved, free online tool site is ready. You could edit it, upload it, or download it. Let me upload it to my server in just a click. And there you have it guys. An AdSense approved, free online tool site, with my logo, my favicon, my menu linking to other tools of my choice, my AdSense ads enabled. Here I have the working tool I decided to use, and the footer with all the legal information required, even with my contact info. Absolutely great guys. And you can do it as many times as you want. No other tool can do this for you. Step 3, refresh. You then just need to get to your AdSense site and watch the money roll into your AdSense account. And this is just the tip of the iceberg guys. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Joule, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Joule the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use the world's first app that literally forces Google to pay you $393.12 every day, in just seconds, then try Joule today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
So hopefully you liked the demonstration video of the product and you understood a little bit better what it actually does. Right now, as you can see here, I'm in the members area, and this is the one that you saw in the demonstration video as well. But let me actually go and just explain to you. Maybe you haven't heard about Google AdSense before, so you can just go and Google it. And as you can see here, Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites serve text, images, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. So this is basically how you can monetize on the content on your website, on the content that you're publishing to Google. Not a lot of people actually have their own websites that they can monetize on. So in case you do not have a website, this is basically when Jewel comes in and helps you to create free online tool website on which you can monetize on. So basically you create a website, and on this website you publish all of these ads, and this is how you monetize on your website. Of course, to do that, you will need a Google AdSense account. So if you actually go here on the Google AdSense website, you can actually go and take a look. They have a lot of good information here and a little bit more detailed explanation on how everything works. So you can see here you earn money from your site, and right here you can see how much money you can earn from AdSense. So you basically choose your region and you choose the area. I already chose it here, so you just need to try different content category. But for example, if you choose food and drink, for example, if you have a website about food and drink, and you can see monthly page views like a minimum of 50,000, and you can increase it right here. But for example, if you have a website in the United States about food and drink and have 50,000 views, you can earn around $9,000 of annual revenue from the monetization of your website. And you can check here a little bit more about this information. And like I said, you can check this website. It has a lot of good information. And it's definitely something to look into if you already have a website and you want to monetize on the content that you already have. But like I said, if you don't have a content, Jewel comes in and help you create something like that. VIP training in the members area, you have 4 training videos, and I watched a few of them. They're actually quite good and explains to you a little bit more how everything works. Then you go to tools sites, and this is where you actually create these tool sites. And there's a lot of tool sites that you can choose from, like icon generator, article rewriter, and you can see here a little bit more. Backlink checker, website screenshot generator, screen recorder, and others. And you choose one of those tools, and then you fill in all the information like you saw in the demonstration video from the vendor, and then you just publish this content to your website. And of course you will have some extra costs associated with it, as you will need your domain name, you'll need a hosting, where to host it, but this is basically what Jewel is doing for you. And then you can also advertise right here, upgrade and support as well. Right now, actually, let me go and show you the prices and upsells for this product. So as you can see here, the front-end version of the software is going to be $17, and like we already saw, the product is going to have 365 days money-back guarantee. It will have some limitations, I think, on a number of websites and tools you can create, because the next upsell is going to be unlimited version. So you will be able to create unlimited campaigns. So it's going to be $39 for this upsell. There's upsell number 2 is going to be for $197, and with this upsell, the vendors is actually going to help you drive traffic to your website, which is basically critical for you to make money with this tool. Upsell number 3 is going to be automation for $39. So this is will help the vendor will help you automate your Jewel campaigns and help you monetize even more on your advertisements. Jewel done for you upsell number 4 is going to be $197 when the vendors are going to be setting up all of these websites for you. Upsell number 5 is going to be for $39, and it's 1 hour profits. I'm not really sure what this one does, but if you're interested in this one, you can always ask support about it. Upsell number 6 is going to be reseller license for $39, and upsell number 7 is going to be Jewel bundle for $39, and supposedly you will get access to 4 apps, but I'm not sure to which ones you're going to get access to. So if this is something you're interested in, you might also want to talk to support about this one. Again, like I said, I think if you've been looking at the Google AdSense before and you didn't know how to make it work for yourself, I think this tool is actually can help you make some money online. If you were, wondering how to make it work, which content to put, if you didn't have any content, if you didn't have a website before, this tool actually can be useful for you. Again, you're going to receive all of the bonuses from me and from the vendor. If you just decide to pick up the front-end version of the software, you don't need to choose any upsells. They're completely optional. If you're interested in trying this software out, please go to the link below in the description to the video and click on the link. You're going to be forwarded to my bonus page right here. All you need to do is just click on one of these green buttons and it's going to take you to the sales page. And on the sales page, just click on one of the green buttons also and get started with the software. And I think this is it about this review. Hopefully you liked it, and if you did, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.